session, we will see about what are the JavaScript data types. JavaScript data types are classified into two main categories, that is primitive and non-primitive. Let us first see about the primitive data types. The first comes string. So I am declaring a string equals to and enclosing them in the double quotes hello. Now this is a string. Strings are the sequence of characters used to represent a text. That is, hello is a sequence of character that represents a text. Hello is assigned to the string. Strings can either be enclosed in the single quotes as well as the double quotes. Next comes the number. For number data type, I am declaring a variable as age equals to 20. Now, this is a number data type. Number data type represents both integer values and floating point values that stores a single type of data, that is numeric. So here I have assigned the value 20 to the age. It is of integer type. It can also be of floating point like 20.34. This is of a full floating point. So it stores both integer and floating point numbers. Next comes the boolean. Let is name equals to true. Boolean. Now, boolean stores the logical data that can only be true or false. Now, I have declared a variable as is name. Is name may be true or false. So, we are checking it. Next is null. Let I am declaring a variable as result and assigning null. Now, null. What is null? Null is a special value that represents no value. That means I have declared a variable called result, but I have not assigned any value to it. So I am keeping it as null. Means the result variable contains null value. Next is the data type called undefined. Let name. I have just declared the variable, but I have not assigned any value, that is undefined. Here null is that result contains null value, but here name does not contains any value. So that is of data type called undefined. So these were of the primitive data types. Now let us see about the non-primitive data types. First comes the object. Now let person. I am creating an object called person. Person can contain, like for an example, person has his name, ID, character. So in the object called person, it contains again the collection of different data types such as name. Name can store the string value. So name as John. Next age as of integer data type, that is 20. Now this is of object. Object is the type of data type that stores the data in key value pairs. Now person is the object, name is the property. Here name is the property and John is the value assigned to that property. Object is collection of different data types. Next comes the array. Let array equals to, always arrays are declared in the or inside the square brackets. Array hello. So hello is a string, so we will store it in the either single quotes or double quote. And in the array, elements are accessed through the index values, such as now I have declared the variable value to the array that hello. Now hello is stored in the index value 0 and hi is stored in the index value 1. So this is of array data type. Now next we will see about the program to implement using array objects. Till then, take care.